Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to farm Siren Head for like a lot of coins. You get 500 coins every single time you kill him. So what you're gonna need is 30 TNT, a grenade, and pigs or scythe. They're optional, but they can get you there faster before Blood Moon, so you can get more time to kill Siren Head. So you need to build like this. I'll show you. 1, 2, 1, 2. There. Boom, 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 and boom, 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 boom. It should look like this. It should look like that. Then you gotta get Siren Head. Bring Siren Head over. Place a grenade. And then run. I messed it up, but he should die, and you should get your coins.